Breaking news! Billionaire investor Ron Barron has just made a massive move that's sending shockwaves through the stock market. He's putting down a staggering $300 million on none other than Tesla. What could have prompted this bold move? Is it a sign of things to come for the electric car giant? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the mind of Ron Barron and uncover the secrets behind his latest investment. Today, we've got some juicy drama in the world of investing. It's a battle of the bulls and bears, and it's getting wild out there. Institutional investors have taken sides on Tesla, with some folks being more bullish than a rodeo cowboy and others being as bearish as a hibernating grizzly. But who cares about those boring bears when you've got bulls to talk about? Ron Barron, the billionaire investor extraordinaire, is leading the charge for the bullish crew alongside the infamous Cathie Wood. These folks are so bullish they could charge through a china shop without breaking a single plate. And it's not just their opinions that are dramatic, folks. The demand for Tesla's autos is surging faster than the bull at the running of the bulls. It's extraordinary and it's breathtaking. It's downright exciting. And if you think that's wild, hold on to your horses, because the CEO of Barron Capital, Ron Barron, just dropped the bombshell on a recent CNBC Squawk Box program. He revealed that when they first invested in Tesla back in 2014, the company was only producing 31,000 cars annually. But now, by 2030, he's predicting a whopping 20 million autos. That's more cars than you can shake a stick at. But wait, there's more. Barron even dropped the name, folks. Elon Musk, the man, the myth, the legend, the CEO of Tesla himself. Barron predicts that by 2030, the share price of Tesla will hit a mind-boggling $1,500. That's even enough to make anyone's head spin faster than a bull on a mechanical bull ride. During a recent interview, the billionaire investor shrugged off market volatility like it was yesterday's stale bread. He's not concerned, folks. Not when there's consumer demand for Tesla's cars at historically high levels. It's like the whole world has suddenly decided they need a Tesla in their life. And this investor is here for it. And it's not just talk, folks. The billionaire investor has skin in the game. His largest holding is in Tesla, which takes up a whopping 30% of the BPTIX portfolio. That's like having a giant piece of the pie and eating it too. Ron Barron is so optimistic about Elon Musk's businesses that he's putting his money where his mouth is. He revealed that he invested over $100 million in private investments with SpaceX last year, and he's even putting about $200 million toward a particular satellite. That's more money than most of us will ever see in our lifetime. And why is Ron so optimistic, you ask? Well, it's all because of Tesla's reputation as the world's safest automobile. This investor has faith in the company, and he's anticipating a more affordable model to hit the market soon. He's predicting that this move alone will increase the company's value by 7 to 10 times in the future. That's like hitting the jackpot in a game of financial roulette. But the real kicker, folks, is the size of this investor's wager on Tesla. Between the years 2014 and 2016, he invested a total of $387 million in the company. And since then, the position has gained enormous value. It's like this investor struck oil in his backyard and is now swimming in an ocean of riches. Back in 2022, Tesla stock took a nosedive and lost 50% of its value. But did that stop our protagonist, Barron? Absolutely not. He was confident that his company's holding would continue to be profitable, and he would buy more of it if he could. It's like he's playing a game of investing Jenga, but instead of pulling out the blocks, he's stacking more and more onto his pile. And if that's not enough to make your heart race, Barron stated in the CNBC Squawk Box segment from the previous year that he intends to own Tesla stock for at least another 8 years. That's like making a long-term commitment to your significant other, but with stocks. But wait, it gets even more intense. Barron predicts that they will profit from Tesla 3, 4, or even 5 times over. It's like winning the lottery, but with stocks. And despite the depressing interview, Barron isn't giving up. He believes that this is just the beginning for Tesla. And it's like he's riding a roller coaster of emotions, but instead of ups and downs, it's all ups. In fact, Barron boldly claims that Tesla will be the biggest and most successful corporation in the world in 10 years. It's like he's psychic and can see into the future. And before holding his investment conference in November of last year, Barron told Forbes in an interview, it's like he's the protagonist in a movie. and he's about to reveal his master plan to take over the world. And now, fast forward to 2025, Barron predicts that the value of a share of Tesla will be between $500 and $650. It's like a prophecy, but instead of a mystical seer, it's a billionaire investor with a crystal ball made of stock charts. And that's not all, folks. He also predicts that Tesla will reach a value of approximately $4.5 trillion in 8 to 10 years. It's like a giant pile of money, but instead of gold coins, it's all in Tesla stocks. But wait, there's more. According to Barron, he agrees with Elon Musk's recent claims that Tesla has the potential to surpass both Apple and Saudi Aramco in size. It's like a battle of the titans, but instead of gods and monsters, it's just a bunch of corporations. And that would suggest a valuation of more than $4 trillion. Barron has done the math, and he's predicting a wild ride for Tesla over the next decade. Get this, the billionaire investor expects the electric car maker to sell a whopping 20 million cars a year by 2030. That's right, 20 million! Currently, Tesla is on track to sell just over 1 million cars this year, but Barron isn't worried. He is confident that with enough hard work and perseverance, Tesla can make it happen. And when they do, the sales alone will generate $1 trillion in revenue by 2030. But that's not all. According to Barron's calculations, if Tesla can keep their operating profit around 30%, it could end up with a mind-blowing $4.55 billion in total value. Barron made it clear that his bullish outlook on Tesla's revenue potential does not even include the company's other groundbreaking areas of focus. Speaking on CNBC's Squawk Box, Barron revealed that his bold projections are based solely on the sales of Tesla vehicles, leaving plenty of room for an upside surprise from the firm's battery, driverless vehicle, and robotics endeavors. Even more excitingly, Barron cited Tesla CEO Elon Musk's claim that robots would soon outspace automobiles in size, adding to the frenzied excitement surrounding the company. It's challenging to keep up, admitted Barron, who is rumored to be Tesla's biggest customer. With such staggering growth potential, it is no wonder that Barron is so bullish on Tesla. But even he admits that his margin of safety is small, given the rapid pace of innovation and change in the industry. One thing is clear, however. If Tesla can continue to deliver on its promises and exceed expectations, the sky is truly the limit. In a recent interview with CNBC, Barron revealed that he had invested an additional $100 million in the social media platform Twitter, Elon Musk's newest endeavor, confident that he will see a return of 2 to 3 times his initial investment. What makes Barron so sure about his move? Well, it all goes back to his experience with Tesla, which yielded him hundreds of millions of dollars in return. And who was behind that success? You guessed it, Elon Musk. Barron is convinced that Musk's commercial efforts and marketing strategies will work their magic once again, and that Twitter was poorly managed under prior leadership. When it comes to Musk's veracity, Barron never questions it. After all, this is the man who took a struggling car company and turned it into one of the most valuable in the world. Who knows? With Barron's investment and Musk's expertise, perhaps Twitter will become the new king of social media. Ron Barron's $300 million investment in Tesla stock is a clear indication of his unwavering faith in Elon Musk and the future of the electric vehicle industry. With Tesla's continuous innovation and expansion, it's no wonder that one of the world's most successful money managers is betting big on the company's success. If you're also interested in investing in Tesla, make sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor to ensure that it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next big investor to join the ranks of Ron Barron. So what do you think about his recent decisions? Do you agree or disagree with his moves? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.